We are suffering from chronic power crisis here in Iraq. So usually our homes depend 25% on utility power and 75% on diesel generators. Each generator supplies about 30 homes. But the problem is that they are old and the drivers are people who are not electricians. For that reason, they supply us with power less than 50 hertz. As you can see from my hertz meter, it reads less than 46 hertz. Such stupid drivers think that it is a way to reduce fuel consumption. Many years ago, I'm using an APC UPS smart type since its output waveform is pure sine wave. That I haven't seen an appropriate inverters gives such waveform. Most of them generate or even a square wave or modified sine wave. The problem is that the APC, it will not accept the utility power of less than 48 hertz. So the UPS remains on backup mode even when diesel generator power comes. My first idea is to use a high current battery charger, about 20 amps, which is hooked up directly to the batteries and leaving the UPS on backup mode. But I have noticed that the chargers will consume a lot of power since it draws so much reactive power, and also since my supply is restricted with a few amps, so it will cause it to shut down. So I think how to trick the APC to accept less than 48 hertz. I have studied the schematic diagrams of Smart APC 1500. As you can see, there is two power lines that supply T1 transformer, which control trim boost function by two op-amps, two comparators. The upper blue circle in the schematic diagram as sine RAP according to the diagram. So it's sent to a simple pulse shaper, then to the processor to lock on 50 hertz. The sine wave from T1 is fed to Q41, the pulse shaper, by R90 and the diode D31, which allow only a positive part of the signal to pass through. So the signal is not necessarily sine wave. You can generate a square wave by using an oscillator. You can use a 555 typical for this task. It will do that with a peak of 5 volts is enough. But I have a function generator which is left in my garage, in my warehouse, with two output wires. The ground one is connected to the ground of the APC, I mean to the negative terminal of the battery on the capacitor. As you can see, it's welded on a blue wire. And the other one is fed to R90 after separating it from T1. So it works. Thank you for watching. Best regards from Baghdad. This is Majid.